Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to add member to a folder in Dropbox. Open any browser and search Dropbox, dropbox.com, click on there. We already signed in with our email. You can also sign in with your mail. And first of all, we will create a folder, then add a member. We want to create a folder which name is data. I enter the email. If you have contacts, you can import contacts here. The mail that I given, this man can access this folder, and they said me that what is the role. He can edit or he can only view. I suggest he can only view. Then share. The data has been shared. This is the folder. The mail I sent to this man, only this man can look this folder. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.